everyone! Welcome back to Mrs. English Flow channel. Today we're talking about something small that makes a huge difference in English.
Yeah, the phrase I think. English learners use it all the time, sometimes too much.
Exactly. Native speakers don't always say I think before every sentence. It can make you sound unsure or less natural.
So today we'll show you better, more natural ways to express your opinion confidently.
Let's start with a common example. Many learners say, I think this movie is good. It's correct, but it sounds a little basic.
A native speaker might say, "This movie is amazing. I really enjoyed this movie. This movie's definitely worth watching." See, more direct, more natural.
Right. If you always start with I think, your English can sound hesitant. For example, I think English is important. Instead, say, English is essential nowadays. English opens many opportunities.
Confidence changes everything. Another example, instead of, "I think he's busy," you can say, "He's probably busy." "Looks like he's busy." "He seems busy." These sound smoother in real conversations.
But wait, does that mean I think is bad?
Not at all. Native speakers still use it, just not in every sentence. For example, it's natural when you're unsure. I think the meeting starts at 3. I think I left my phone at home.
Exactly. Use it when you truly mean uncertainty. But if you're giving your opinion confidently, try stronger expressions like honestly, in my opinion, from my experience, definitely, personally.
Here's a quick comparison. I think this restaurant is nice. This restaurant has great food. I think she's talented. She's incredibly talented.
See the difference? Shorter, cleaner, more native.
And one more tip. Native speakers often remove unnecessary words completely instead of, "I think maybe we should go now." Just say, "We should go now." Simple and natural.
So today's lesson is simple. Stop using I think in every sentence.
Be more direct, more confident, and your English will instantly sound more fluent.
Try replacing I think with stronger, natural expressions when you speak English this week.
And remember, fluency isn't about using difficult words, it's about sounding natural.
Thanks for listening to Mrs. English Flow channel.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and keep flowing in English.